Most people get this wrong. They assume telehealth services are all the same, but the surprising truth about Sesame is that it offers affordable, flexible healthcare with no hidden fees. Sesame is a telehealth platform that connects patients with licensed medical providers for a range of services from urgent care and mental health to dermatology and lab testing. In my experience using Sesame, the standout feature is transparency. Each service has a clear, upfront price, so you know exactly what you'll pay. No surprise bills or insurance hurdles. Booking an appointment is simple. You can search for providers by specialty, availability, or price. Many consultations are conducted via secure video, while some services are available in person or through lab testing partnerships. The platform also lets you message doctors directly for quick questions, which is convenient for minor concerns. The surprising truth is that Sesame isn't just for emergencies or minor issues, it's also great for ongoing care. For example, you can schedule recurring mental health sessions or follow-ups with primary care providers without worrying about insurance coverage or complex copays. On the downside, not all specialties are available in every state, and some users may find the platform less convenient if they prefer fully insurance-covered services. But for people looking for fast, transparent healthcare options, Sesame shines. In conclusion, Sesame is ideal for patients who value transparency, flexibility, and affordability in healthcare. Whether you need urgent care, a specialist, or mental health support, it's a reliable telehealth solution that saves time and reduces stress. Subscribe for more honest reviews of telehealth and healthcare platforms to help you make informed choices about your health.